Hey, good morning, guys. Good evening, good afternoon. It depends on the place you're watching me from. So, on today's video is a special video. But first, I wanna greet each and every person. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the place you're gonna be watching me from. So, on today's video, I'm shooting this video from the village here in our bulletproof house in Kenya, Africa, East Africa, at the border of Kenya and Tanzania. So as you see, we have remained with two cements. This is a kitchen of our bulletproof house, but for now I'm using it as a store to store the stuffs that are like cements, some of stuffs, little stuffs that are helping in Mogendi the dreamers dream house. So this day today is a beautiful day. It's a great day. We give thanks to Almighty God for the good life and for the health that we have today, that we are dwelling in today, and each and everything that we have today is because of Almighty God. So guys, today I want to share with you how everything is, and this day today also there's one of the best things that are going to happen. So pay much attention, like, share, and leave a sweet comment about what is going to happen here, and please watch till the end, because at the end there's where we have the climax of this show that we are having here. So kindly guys, continue subscribing. We are on the road to 30,000 subscribers, and thank you so much for 25k for 21k subscribers. I really appreciate your love and support, and that's very amazing. So yeah, I want to give you a quick tour of what is happening around here, and a quick tour of Mogendi the dreamers house right here. So yesterday you saw we were installing the other day you saw we were installing what we call like the lintel, and since day one we have been here. This house has stood within 5 to 7 days that are just here. That's why you see here, it's 5 to 7 days. And right here we have sand which is mixed with cement. On this other end also we have sand which is mixed with what have they done here? It's sand mixed with this. Now it's the time when the masons are going what we call like for lunch time, to have just like a lunch break. So let me give you a quick tour of what is happening around here, and we see finally where we are today. So yeah, today they were building starting from the lintel upwards. Remember, some people might be asking, what is the lintel? This is the foundation, this is the walls that are installed, and this is the lintel, you know, this one here. And the sky is so amazing. Look at the skies, guys. Wow, the sky is amazing. For now it's not covered because we're still under construction. That's why you see, let me go up the ladder, one step by step, one step at a time. This is what you see. Oh wow. So this is what you see, this one up to the other end, also coming to this side up to the other end. So yeah, let me go up on this other end. Hopefully I'll not fall. I'll be working on this. So this is the lintel. Yeah, this is the lintel that I'm telling you about. This one, it's mixed with the cement, concrete, ballast, and some metal bars inside here. And now this is the final one, what you have seen there. So they're building here. This one is now what have remained here. For it to just be waited maybe like 5 to 12 days, it's only this part here. This one you see that has a H, you know. Oh, let me just balance myself. This one, the one you see that has a H here, this is the toilet, a balcony, one bedroom, another bedroom over here, and also here the outer wall, it's already in. So what we are waiting here for is just for it to dry. Glam materials like maybe timbers and iron sheets and things. Now we can put a roof. We can buy iron sheets like 40 plus, and please guys, if you want to donate maybe like one iron sheets, like, oh, I'll send you something for iron sheet, please do so kindly. It's a kind request, it's not a must, it's a kind request to support the brother here. So as you see on the other side, those are the neighbors. I don't know if you see them, guys. Those are the neighbors. And up to this other end, that's my dad's house, grandma, CJ, my other brother over there. This I built it before even YouTube. This one, I built it step by step, step by step, step by step. But I'm giving thanks to where we are today. It's one of the greatest. Why is it when I start a video somebody calls me? Let me hear who is here. Yeah, that's what I was saying, guys. So this is how amazing everything is around here. And also the step of this bulletproof house is documented on my YouTube channel. If you haven't watched my previous videos, guys, you are really missing something. You are really missing something over here, guys, you know. So let me go down. And today, guys, a secret agenda for Sky. This is for you. This is for you. Today Minhao is going to ride a motorbike. So I'm going to teach her down there how to ride a motorbike. But first I want to give her some precautions. If you want to do this, do this. So let's head there and we see how Minhao is riding a bicycle. No, a motorbike. Hey, let's wait. Yeah, and also I'm so happy because Grandma has recovered her sense back. Grandma is for now is kinda okay, and she's relaxing, and this is how you see everything is around here. Things are moving on well, and we are here. Hi guys. Even hi, how are you?
How are you?
You good?
You good?
You're filming?
You feel me?
Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, how are you?
Guys.
How are you?
How are you?
You good?
You good?
You fine?
I am fine.
Yeah, today
Today
is a good day.
good day.
I give thanks.
Yeah, this ice.
No, not ice. Say, I give thanks, not ice. He. I give thanks. Thanks.
Hush.
Say thank you so much.
It is so much.
Yeah, guys. Thank you, Thomas. You know, guys, actually, Grandma, some few weeks back, Grandma has been really not doing okay. She has what we call, is it dementia? Something like that.
Mimi nawaambia kwamba mnishuko mnakataa. Hii nywele yangu nataka iwe kubwa au nataka ninyoe.
She's saying she want to plait her hair.
Ona. Huku nyuma yote inaishi.
We plait. Unalala hivi. Wewe unalalaga hivi kila siku. You know she sleeps. Unalala kifudifudi. Watu wamekumiss baby. Takuimbia wimbo haidoma iye mulale. Haidoma.
Wananimiss sababu gani?
Wanakumiss sababu kuimbia haidoma iye mulale.
Haibari baba idoma cheka
waseme haidoma.
Haidoma. Ieri lale. Nakora kaiguito yuito yakulu kulose kandose kayapigo siyaboha.
Yaviha.
Yaboha.
Yeah, she's speaking on her own you call like her own language. Which is that language called Warangi. Do you know Warangi of Tanzania, guys? If you know
Tanzania. Kwa Nyerere. Kule.
Kwa Nyerere.
Kwetu.
Nyerere Kambarage Julius was the president of Tanzania. So dada ya ndugu Kambarage Nyerere. Nyerere. Kama sio juhudi zako Nyerere. Kama sio juhudi zako Nyerere. Kama sio juhudi zako Nyerere. Watanzania tungekuwa wapi? You know that's a song. That is a song that was sung in Tanzania those days back in 90s.
When they're praising the president.
Yeah, praising the president, that if it were not Nyerere, where could they have been? Yeah. So baby says unaingia hapo kwao. Okay, leo bibi tuimbile wimbo. She's smiling today. Tuimbile wimbo ya haidoma bibi. Haidoma iye mulale. Haidoma na wetu wafikile ngaso. Haidoma iye mulale. Haidoma ana wetu wafikile ngaso. Iye lale. Haidoma iye mulale. Haidoma iye wisultani kimolo. Haidoma iye mulale. Haidoma. Hey, high five. Okay, guys, this is my grandma. I introduced how. I wanted to call you Bibi.
Bibi. Mkakamega ule. Yake mzima namwambia namsalamia.
Mkakamega.
Ule yuko ng'ambo kule.
Oh, watu wa ng'ambo.
Then
Watu wa ng'ambo, guys. She's people who are abroad. People from abroad.
She says hi.
She says hi.
Hi.
Mwambie hi mzungu. Hi mzungu.
Mzungu, hello.
Each and every person in abroad.
Very much.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you. Love you very much.
Say love you.
Love you
Yeah.
very much.
Very much.
Yeah.
We miss you.
Yeah, meet you.
I adore you.
I adore you.
Yeah.
I adore you.
I know. Guys, you know she says people from abroad, hi. She loves you so much. Yeah. Minha. Anakupenda.
Bibi ya Claudia. We mzuri sana.
Haya bibi.
Tena ananisalamia.
Takupigia
Your
simu.
grandfather was called Claudia.
No. My father is called Claude.
No, she's saying Bibi ya Claudia.
No, Bibi
Oh,
means
grandmother to Claudia.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Don't you know that Bibi is in Swahili?
I forgot. Like I thought your grandpa, the husband,
No.
used to be called Claudia.
No. I'm hearing like a soursop. Is it this? Have you eaten soursop here?
Just a small one.
No, now you know because Bibi or Claudia means my grandma.
Claude's grandma.
Yeah.
I thought someone knows that she was married to a guy called Claudia.
No. Okay, introduce yourself, Minhawi.
Minhawi, as
And
always.
today we have fire guys. This is going to do them. Are you ready for that?
What am I going to do?
You're going to ride a bicycle, a motorbike today. A
When did you
Porsche.
make that decision without telling me?
Hey, you know it very well.
But you didn't tell me it's today.
For Sky knows.
You didn't tell me that
It's
today.
today and now.
Now.
You just introduce
Guys,
people
I
who you
think
are.
that's not it's too sudden. But guys, my name is Minhawi, and he wants to take me for what?
For
Bicycle or
No,
motorcycle?
Motorbike. Then
Guys, what if I fall down? Who will rescue me?
you have knee guards.
You have them?
I'll give you gumboots.
Gumboots. They'll guard me in case of anything.
Yes.
You know, I only know how to drive cars and
You wait.
big
The
cars.
car will come. I'll buy you a Jeep Wrangler as a business partner someday.
A Jeep Wrangler.
Yeah, but
Okay.
for now, let's ride the motorbikes because I'm tired of riding you on top of that. So today you'll be riding me. Yes.
Okay, we'll see, guys.
Okay.
Huku
that
chini
day.
baby.
It's that day.
Tumeziangalia bibi, mbuzi nimetoka huko.
She's worried about
Baby, she's
goats.
worried about goats. Yes.
Yeah. So now we are going right now.
Right now.
But I have to eat first.
Haidoma iye mulale, haidoma ngofiki lengaso, haidoma iye mulale, haidoma. Hiya baby. So guys, this is
Does she
Minha.
remember her own language?
She remembers her own language. She was
I will
talking.
tell her to say how are you in her own language.
Bibi waviha.
Nowaviha.
Wavoha.
Waboha bibi yuzi kulusika.
Nalusi kande suka
Ndatina
kulusi.
kilusika ndusika ekora kaikwa ito.
Kulika iko ntuleje kule kusinje langu.
Kule tanzo. Kule tanzo
Kule tanzo.
Tanzo.
Ile basu sinje langu ku.
Isingo, angalia singo hero.
Watu sinje langu ku. Watu chinjie kuku.
Hawa?
Kule kai.
Sikura kai unafika tu hata makondo unajua inanyorora.
Wanakuchinjia.
Hata kawi.
She says when we go to her place, they'll slaughter for us sheep.
Mtu warushi afika hapa shuka nitaenda
Yeah, baby.
Ndaenda kwa Watukana huko.
Huko, kwa nini? We have something here. So guys, I'm here. That was grandma for now. Actually, she's actually a little bit okay because she's recovering. She's recovering, which I give thanks to Almighty God for life. So now, the remaining thing is on this Porsche Cayenne over here. We wanna see the moves of Minhawi today. This content today is hot, guys. Let's go. Yes, guys, I have to teach her the bike, but before that, let me give you a beautiful view of our compound over here. So the other side that you saw they were digging, they were bringing this sand as a soil here. It's a very fertile soil, they were bringing it here, and also they were doing it also to this other end. So this is a very fertile soil, very fertile soil that they were digging on the other end of the other side of Mogendi's house over there. So this is my brother's house called Jacob, the one who deals with flowers like this. He's a florist. Also we have an apple tree over here. So we want to plant a lot of fruit trees around here in this yard, so that some days when we have kids, when they come here, they can have, I want to go to grandma's place. When they come to this area, they find a lot of fruits so that they can enjoy. Yeah, so this is how everything is around here, you know. Yeah, that's how everything is around. She has brought maize. Do I have even some money inside here? Oh my god. Let me check. Yeah, have something. Let's have some maize. Let's enjoy La Vida es juice. You know, it's good to promote mamas. You know, because we have construction here. Oh, umechelewa mama leo. Mafundi walikuwa hapa mama. Mafundi walikuwa hapa tu wameenda lunch. I'm telling her that they were having some masons here. They were having some masons here. Some masons here. They really love maize. So let's see. So these are maize, guys. Oh. One bibi yenye ni nyepesi kabisa. Yeah, so guys, those are maize, and she put it this way because so she tafunga be mama mweka kwa kuheta. You know, she boils them, guys. Boil and they become soft. She puts it in a paper bag so to prevent because everybody wants it very hot. When it's hot, it's very nice. So she put it on a nylon paper so that they can eat. Yeah. Na mimi nitajichagule tu nzuri pia mimi ma. Yeah, chagule nzuri ma. Nole na mangasa. Tambe kumahirire mama akinimbu yare. No ngote. Yesterday you saw.
Inko nyororo.
Want nyororo?
Ndaka nyororo inakaa imeungua. Mimi zako zimekomaa lakini. Naweza kukuwa.
Very nice. Corn. You want more?
No, this one is
eat and then you ride.
And then I ride, eh? Not bad.
Thank you, mom. Then I'm telling her to add one. Hi. I'm gonna baby moja nyororo. Let me put it here one. Is it Mogendi even around here? Where is he? Guys, this one we buy it at. This one we buy it at 20 shillings, Kenyan shillings. That's around $0.20. Yeah, $0.20. One corn this way. We buy it at 20 Kenyan shillings. Let me know in the comment section how much does it cost for you to own a corn like this. Boiled corn. And then I have to pay. Her. This is the money. This is 200 Kenyan shillings. Yeah. Mama sending organ, no? Yeah. Yeah, so let me enjoy this for lunch for now. How much does this cost to have this maize?
20 bob.
In Kenya. Not in our village here.
It's 20 shillings.
Yeah, it's 20 shillings. So, only gonna ma. Oh wait.
Amen.
Taniongeza moja hii. Oh, imebaki 120. Toa pesa yote basi. She's very honest. 1 2 3 4. Ilikuwa imebaki 100 mama. Sasa ni 1 2 3 4 5. Au ulikuwa umetuongeza moja?
Nilikuwa
Ziko 5 mama. Sasa ni
Ulikuwa umetuongeza?
haya basi.
Ni 5.
Ni 5. Haya. So guys.
Ni kabisa.
Baby. You can eat, you can chew.
Nchi langu nakula mahindi.
Say you chew maize.
You chew maize. Love you.
I love you too. Alright guys, let's have this and we'll see. Alright, let's wait for me now.
Mama.
So guys, this is the motorbike over here. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
For a what?
For a jig.
Jig a what?
A gigolo.
I dig a dig, I dance, I live, and then I ride. So guys, today we are having our new driver on the road.
Newest driver in town.
Newest driver in town. So we are having our Porsche Cayenne, our Porsche that have an eagle eye, all eye. So I'm going to show her some few stuffs over here on this motorbike.
Okay.
So that I want to rate her if she's a good student or not. So for now, this is the key.
Okay.
Okay, have it.
Okay.
Insert in an this is an ignition area.
Okay.
This is an ignition. You see, it's now off. We have a dashboard here.
Okay.
That has the speedometer and everything, fuel and everything. It reads the kilometer, how it's running. These are called the
Side mirrors.
Sight mirrors. Sight mirrors. Yeah.
Side.
Sight.
Why sight and not
They are
side?
called side mirrors, not side mirrors. According to the
Oh, do you also have side mirrors?
no, these are called side mirrors.
But I'm asking, you also have
People call
in
them
cars.
yeah, in
You
cars,
have them side mirrors.
but they are called side mirrors, not side mirrors.
Okay.
Yeah, it can be side mirror,
Uh-huh.
but a side mirror because they see from afar. They're called
Okay.
side.
Okay.
Okay, but it's according to how we are. We call them side mirrors, right?
Okay. Yeah.
But for now, let's call them side mirrors.
Side mirrors.
So for now, we have this. Those are side mirrors. We want to see if you want to overtake. We want to see who is coming from behind. You're using this. I know you know. I know you know. So every motorbike on the left hand, there's where the clutch is.
These are the clutch.
The clutch.
What are the functions of a clutch?
The function of a clutch is to easen the shifting of the gears from gear 1, gear 2. You know.
You first start the clutch, then change the gears.
And change the gears.
Okay.
But if you don't change, the gear cannot engage well.
Okay.
Yeah. So every motorbike, the clutch are on
This
the
is the
left.
clutch.
Yeah. So this is the clutch.
And these are the
These are the handles.
handles.
Yeah. And
Okay.
here we have the light.
Yeah.
For
light
now.
on, light off.
Yeah. This is like full light.
Uh-huh.
Let me show you. Here you have to put them first to be light, okay? And then push. Here they are just in a okay. The key is not on. Put ignition. Turn on.
Which side? This side or right?
Right side.
This is the right.
Yeah. Slowly, easy. Turn the key.
Stop turning.
Turn the key. Don't use energy.
No, not.
Turn the key this way. This way. Okay. Jeanette.
Why it's not going?
Easy. This way.
No, I'm not like it's not moving to the
It's
other side.
moving. You put and then you put this way. Jaman.
So give me. It's hard.
No, it's not hard. The ignition. It's on.
Is it on now?
You see when it's
Okay,
on?
on.
Off?
Off.
On. You see
Yeah.
when it's off?
On, it's green.
On is neutral. This shows you it's neutral.
Yeah. Then off.
That's
Off.
off. Yeah. So on, it's neutral now.
Okay.
So when it's that way, when you put this way, you see now that is no, that's full light.
This full light. Okay.
Just go
One.
easy. That's full light. Low light. Low light.
Okay.
Full light. Low light. Okay. So now that's not necessary for now. But the most important thing is to know how to balance between a clutch,
And,
accelerator.
and the accelerator.
Yeah.
So
This
this is the accelerator.
yeah, this is the accelerator. That's why you see it's soft and it's easy to
Okay.
turn.
Okay.
It's easy to turn. And also we have instant brakes, which are this one. These are instant brakes. They are
Oh, okay.
near the accelerator.
Clutch, instant brakes, accelerator.
Yeah.
Okay.
And also here we have this one. In case we have this one here, this one is
What is this?
it's also an ignition for easy. Like if you don't want to step here, like you do only do this.
Oh, okay.
It's on.
Yeah. So
Have you had-
it's automatic and it's manual at the
Yeah,
same time.
it's automatic at the same time.
Manual.
Yes. Good. So you turn off, on. You do this. You see this one is going up.
Yeah. Well,
You see it's going up. Okay. So if now there's the manual, you can step it here. You see? You can do it. That way.
can I try putting it on?
Okay, wait first. Go easy. Go easy. Why you faster?
No,
I'm showing
I'm
you.
excited about the manual because my driving. Then I drive manual,
Manual.
cars. So, but then now this one, I don't know.
It's double. You can
looks
use
like-
this,
Uh-huh.
and also you can use this. This is called a kick, and this is a clutch also. It's coming up to this other side.
Oh,
Also, we have, if you want to honk, you honk from this side. Honk. That's a honk. Okay. So we have indicators also on this other side. If you want to indicate left,
Where are they? Which one?
here. If you want to indicate
Okay.
right, you press it this
and
side.
then left this side.
The left, right. Okay, stop. You press in the middle. If you want to put hazards, you here. Left, right,
Right. Stop.
stop, and then hazards
Hazard is which one?
from here.
I-
So on hazards, it just beat double.
Okay. Wait.
Yeah.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Left. Stop.
Hazards.
Okay.
All right. What's the function of hazards?
Well, it's to indicate danger to the oncoming traffic.
Okay.
Or offcoming.
Of coming. So that's it. So now the main thing is we are going to be here. Here.
Kama hindi moja pale ule.
Utachukua mahindi pale. So the main thing is sit on the bike.
Wait.
Put it off.
Not from here. This is
No, just go it on it. Just go.
Guys.
Go on top. It it's heavy, but go on top.
It's heavy. It's very
Yeah.
heavy.
Let's see Minhawi. That's Minhawi. Yeah, I'm very far away.
And this bike is tall.
Okay.
It's long. Or
Hold double.
Okay. This one is the ignition. This is the instant brake. Clutch.
A clutch. For now, it's on the it's stand. Let me take it down. No.
Oh.
Okay. Be ready on it. Okay. For now, I don't want to have to stand. I want it to be like. I want you to just hold it the way you hold a
These are
bicycle.
the instant brakes. Are there any other brakes other than this?
Yeah, these are instant brakes for front, and we have this one here.
Which are the
So
back?
if you want to step well,
Uh-huh.
here you step here, and this is the brakes.
This one. Oh, how do you step on them? This one?
Yeah, that way you.
Oh, just do this.
Yeah, it's
Oh.
up, down, up.
So if
It's
I'm
like
going-
you're accelerating.
So if I'm going very fast, this is what I hold.
Don't hold
Not,
this.
not like
If you go very fast, these are instant. It can kill you.
it can kill you.
Yeah, so you use this one slowly.
okay.
Even though you'll be going here slowly. These are like emergency.
Oh, emergency brakes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, ignite it. You said you like.
This one.
Yeah, use this.
Can I really?
Okay. Or should I? Okay, do it.
And it's on, eh?
No, yeah, it's on. It's neutral. For now, it's neutral.
Make sure I don't kill you. So
No,
don't
it's
be
neutral. I'll be here.
Hey, do you have the
Not
energy?
easy, heavy. Step. And then.
I think I'm shorter.
No, don't be short. Why are you shorter? Okay. Okay, I want you to accelerate a little bit. Okay. Okay. Step as you accelerate. Step. Not soft. Go hard on it.
Okay.
Okay. Go hard. Go. It will not fall. Go hard. Hey, go hard.
Why is it going this way?
No, it's because. Okay. Don't panic. Hey, let me step it for you.
Okay.
Okay. Accelerate there a little bit. Accelerate a little bit. Accelerate a little bit. A little bit. Okay. Accelerate.
Oh,
Not this. Accelerate. You see.
okay.
If you want, just accelerate it this way. Just this way. Okay.
Okay.
Easy.
My hand should be light.
Yeah, it should be light. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Let's go. A little bit. Okay. Accelerate a little bit. Move this. What? Easy.
See, I'm easy. It's just okay. I'm
Easy. Don't panic. That way. I want it to be that way. That. Why are you laughing? Easy. Easy. Okay. Easy. Okay. Easy. It's not heavy. Why are you coming this side? No, balance it the way you balance a bicycle. Okay, balance. Hold the clutch in. Press the clutch in. Fully in.
It's in.
In.
Yeah.
Okay, step one. First gear goes down.
Okay.
First gear goes down. Down here.
How do I step on it?
You step on it.
When I'm already balanced. Okay, wait. I haven't yet known how to balance the bike.
Okay, the thing is, just be easy the way you balance the other bicycles. Just easy.
Yes,
It's all that
I'm
this
trying.
uses-
So, like for example, when you tell me to step on
So,
this.
but you step down there.
See now,
You step down there.
Oh, this is the side.
Yeah, you step down and then you press it down.
So do my legs also act as a brake?
Yeah. Okay, step. Okay,
Okay.
open there. Or you can use
Okay, let me know.
use the ignition.
Let me remove this because now
You don't hear.
this classroom.
The classroom is hot today.
The
Okay.
classroom is hot.
Easy. Okay, easy.
Okay, before can I use this in the
Yeah,
meantime
use that
before?
for meantime. Okay.
Instead of
You press as you accelerate.
so I
No,
must hold
leave
the clutch
this.
first.
No. Press as you accelerate. Hey, my God. My God. My road. Okay, remove your leg. Okay. Step hard. Go it. Like this way. You see? Like. Wait. Go it. I'm holding the motorbike for you. Hold again.
Oh, the boots are big. They're coming out.
Okay, go. 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 You are having canes. I'm not even caning you. Okay. Accelerate.
That's a lot.
Accelerate. Don't take this leg apart this way.
Away.
Yeah. Accelerate. Don't step here. Oh my God. Don't step there. I want to
Can
accelerate.
you be patient?
Yeah, I'm telling. But you are stepping on this, so I'm like, how am I going to use
okay,
this?
see, okay.
Yeah, that way. Okay,
You should
step.
just tell me move your leg.
Okay, accelerate. But you don't want to listen. Accelerate. Okay. One. Okay. Okay. Second. Hey, my God. Minhao.
As a driver, you're not supposed to be saying my God.
What are you doing? Accelerate a little bit, okay? Hey, what are you doing? You have holding.
No, I'm not saying anything. No.
Yeah. Okay, it's on. Yeah, it's neutral. Okay. Hawezi. Okay, return this. Okay. Accelerate little by little. Okay, hold the clutch in. Press the clutch in. Take this other leg on this other side. Okay, that way. Accelerate little by little. Okay, put the leg here. Put the gear down. You don't have patience. You don't have patience. Okay, let me show you.
I'm afraid of going.
Okay, calm down. I show you. Calm down. I show you something.
Okay.
Okay, calm down. I show you something.
Coming down is not also easy because this bike is so high, and I'm literally even my legs cannot get down.
You are hanging.
I'm hanging.
Okay, come.
And he himself did not train with this bike because this bike is a bit different from the normal bike.
Now I want you to.
But I want to learn with this.
Oh, yeah, this will be the better.
Okay.
For you. Yeah.
Whoops!
Okay, so watch what I'm doing. Okay.
Okay.
Watch what I'm doing. I'm stepping. The bike was just. I'm not even holding anything.
Now the difference between me and you
Yes.
is that your legs are longer. I'm shorter. Mine's hang around here.
Okay, so the thing is, you must be. Even if I'm hanging, you must just be easy on it. Okay.
Okay.
So step one. If you don't want to use this, you come. You step this one. Okay. You step
Okay.
up to the end. See what I'm doing. Okay. See what I'm doing. I've seen that.
Now do you have that energy?
Yeah, you must put energy.
Okay.
Okay. So easy. You hear? Even it's not accelerating. Easy. You balance. Okay. You come. You press in. Look here. This is the clutch.
Yeah.
You
After
press-
accelerating is.
Yeah, just accelerating. Just to make.
I think I have gotten everything other than putting it on here.
Okay. So
Yeah.
accelerating just little by little, being easy. You
Okay.
relax. You press the clutch in. You come this side. You see, like me, I've just found this side. Okay. You put a gear because this motorbike gear 1 goes down. That one.
Where's the gear? This side is the gear.
This is the gear lever. Okay.
Yeah, so where's gear 1?
So gear 1 goes down this way. You go like now. Come and show you. Here it's neutral. Show them here. That's neutral. Okay. But when I press gear 1, the neutral goes away.
Okay.
But when I return, you see neutral is going there. So go here. You press down one a little bit.
Okay.
That is okay. Gear 1. You see the motorbike is like it's moving. It's ready to move. But you are leaving this gently. You see, gently. Gently.
Yeah, the clutch will leave it gently.
Gently. But you that time you left it this way. You see, if you leave it that way, it will throw you like you become a pilot. A pilot. You become
I'll start flying.
You'll fly. So I want you to try again, okay? Okay, so let me show you how it's going, okay?
Okay.
Yeah,
and when you're teaching me, can you stop saying, oh my God?
Yeah, that way. Clutch in, look in.
Clutch in.
Gear 1.
Gear 1 down.
Release slow.
Gear 1 is down.
Yeah.
Gear 2 is
up.
Now you got in. Okay, it has how many gears?
It has 5 gears.
5 gears. So
Yes.
it's up.
Yeah, but gear 1 is down.
Okay.
So you release the clutch slowly. Slowly.
Now before I easy said than done. Guys,
Kuna matofali nusu nusu hapa, msaidiane.
wait. Okay, just a minute.
Isn't it? Yeah, you press as you accelerate. Okay. Hey, you'll kill. You press as you accelerate as you leave. Yeah, it's like pinch. You'll kill this. You do it this way. But you no. Okay, that's accelerate. Accelerate.
Okay.
The motorbike is tall. Okay, look here.
Guys,
That's the brake.
I am biggie. This guy thinks he can sit behind me and control this bike.
Just take hold the brake, the clutch in. Have you holding the clutch
Yes.
in? Okay.
The gears.
Yeah, everything is okay, okay?
Okay.
So let that motorbike pass. As I tell you the reality show.
Guys. Okay, we're just in the village. But then,
Even students have come to look at you.
this road is nowadays very busy.
It's very busy.
The people are here.
The people are witnessing you. You are down for. So I want you to go up, okay?
Okay, so what do we do?
No, everything is fine. Don't.
Okay. Don't. This guy. Okay.
No, that's the gear.
I can't
That's the gear in.
in. Huh?
Your gear in, yes. Okay. You step.
I step on. Hey guys.
Hold on.
Hold what?
Hold the clutch. You see how I'm doing.
I hold the clutch.
Don't hold this in.
Okay.
Okay, press it out.
The kids.
Yeah, I want to be like it's you who is riding, okay?
Okay.
Hold the
The accelerator and the brakes. It's basically you doing it.
You see what you do?
Okay.
You are doing it. And leave the clutch. You put 2 gears instead of 1. Okay, go. Small. That is small.
Oh my God! Don't leave it.
Okay. Small. Small. Just look small.
Okay, what I can do is balance.
Yeah,
But
just balance. Yes, small. No, don't laugh. Don't accelerate much. Okay, Natalie. Just go. Just balance. The big problem with you is... Oh my god. You know how to stop?
To stop is the one. Okay.
Stop here. Stop now. We have stopped now.
I have the instant brakes and the other brakes on.
Well, pressed on.
Yeah, all of them.
Okay, now it's neutral now.
Okay, so what do I do?
Now, because you have right me. Stop down. Okay. Press the gear in. The clutch is in?
Yes, the clutch
Okay,
is in.
press the gear down.
Oh, okay.
The gear down. Put this leg down.
Oh, okay.
Yes, okay, step.
And my leg can't even get down.
No, just I'm holding you. Okay. Step the gear in. The gear haven't engaged yet. Okay.
Down again? Okay.
Hi. Guys, I mean, how is tough with understanding?
Guys, I'm panicking because he wants me to know this thing immediately right now.
Now.
He wants me to know it now.
Yeah,
when I just started not even 20 minutes
But
ago.
you go it easy, okay? Okay. Engage the gear in. Engage the gear. Engage the gear. Slow. Balance it to this side. Slow, okay.
Okay.
Press the clutch in. The clutch in, okay? Slowly. Clutch
Okay.
in and then slowly, okay?
No, I'll burn it.
You'll burn it, okay?
Yeah.
Press the clutch in. Just press the clutch in. Okay. Have you pressed the clutch in?
Yes.
In.
To the end.
Okay.
The way you do it is so nice. I wish I could know that.
Okay. Accelerate the way I'm accelerating it.
No, just
Accelerate. As you see that it's just going to die,
Uh-huh.
you add life. When it's going to die, you add less life. You know,
Okay.
the right hand is life for the motorbike. Okay, let me step there for you.
okay. Let me try stepping.
Okay, hold the clutch in because now
Yes.
it's on the gear.
Yes, I'm
I want
holding.
it to come out when it's on the gear.
Okay.
Go. You see Egypt riding a bicycle.
Hey, but that one looks automatic.
That's very big, not automatic.
Like
it's even more
it
than
looks
this.
like you could just click
Hey.
something and it's
It's like this, you click it.
okay.
Okay.
I'll know.
Okay, go. Even that has double, same like this. Okay, let me help you here.
Okay.
A little bit. Press the clutch in.
It's to the end. Guys, one thing you need to know about me is that me and the clutch, I think I need to remove my sweater. Something like that. Let me
No, it's okay. So I want you to accelerate. When you hear like it's going to die, you add oh my god, you can keep
Okay.
If you add life, you die.
I know.
Okay, you do this, okay?
Okay.
Okay, step there. Hold it in.
The clutch is in. Like I'm so attentive on the clutch part than even the
okay, the
accelerator
clutch
part.
part. So, okay. So, no, a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, accelerate.
You pushed me.
No, I'm not going to push you. It's the clutch pushing you. Okay. No.
Okay, let me try. I want to know
Hold
how.
this in, hold this.
Yeah, I want to try and know these parts. I'm sorry. I think I'll have to even do this away from camera at some point.
Why?
Because oh,
The clutch is there.
the clutch is here. Like
Yes,
this.
hold it in.
Okay, let's go.
Okay,
Come take over. I can't. I'll kill people
No,
here.
the problem is you want to force it.
No, no, that's not the point. I know if I leave it, I'll go to the other end.
No, it's slowly, easy.
You know, I
Okay.
don't know how to add. I may find myself adding, accelerating when I'm
No.
supposed to slow down. Whew.
What is it? Ah.
No,
Okay,
let's go
come,
back.
go down, go down,
Yeah.
go down.
Wait, yeah, let me just hold and leave it, and then I'll go out like that.
Okay. It's easy, my dear. But you did it the other time.
Yes.
Just this way. Just that way. Easy.
Guys, this lesson should continue next time because
Why?
it's a lot.
Okay.
Taking. Can I go?
No, I want you to sit here. I want you to take me there.
I want to sit here again.
Yes.
I'm afraid also because this road is
No, it's not that busy.
It is busy.
We will go next time to unbusy road.
Can we go now?
Yeah, we are going. Not today. It's no the school day. Maybe weekends. But guys, we are on this road over here, and she's afraid of everything.
Motorcycles are passing every 1 minute.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, go in.
Again?
Yes, go in.
I thought we are done.
No,
It's going back.
no, just go on top. I'm here holding. Go on top. Get up, man.
guys, listen to me. My argument is, he cannot hold me if at all I ignite by mistake.
Go up. I'll hold you.
Okay, this bike,
Okay.
I haven't even.
Go in front. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Are you there?
Yes, I am
Hold
here.
the brakes. Emergency.
Okay.
Okay. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ignite.
Without holding the emergency brakes, right?
Engage the gear.
Okay. It's up or down?
Yeah, that's it.
It's fine.
Okay, leave the clutch slowly.
Okay.
No, look here. Look in front, hold here.
Okay.
Okay. Leave the clutch slowly.
And I'm not touching the accelerator, right? This.
Okay, that's what we're going. Don't hold it in.
Okay, Mia.
Hold the clutch.
Let me balance the bike because I don't want to hold anything. Because okay. Going, I don't think going. Ah!
Why are you laughing?
I'm like, ah!
Oh, lift it. Just go like that. Slowly.
I'm not adding anything.
Okay. Press the clutch in. Add the gear number 2 up. Don't look. Oh, Jesus Christ. Clutch number 2 up.
Up.
It's up.
Yes.
Stop pulling it. Oh my God.
The camera is on. The
Okay,
other
hold
side.
it that way. We go. Don't. Okay. Go.
Okay.
Add the light.
Let it the
Add
fuel.
the fuel, yeah. Add the light to the fuel.
Oh my God.
Slowly.
Guys.
Just pass. Then pass let the light. Just add the light. Add the light a little.
Sinaangalia mbele sana. There's a guy looking at me.
Don't step on you. Guys, me now is very actually guys, it's a matter of death and life here.
There's a guy who was protruding his eyes and looking at me lugubriously.
And they're just walking at him.
And look
That's
at
the brakes. They're mocking him. Where's the brakes? And now he starts shaking over here. But guys, I'm appreciating this episode. Have you learned something?
At least I know everything.
You-
Like I know the brake, I know the inside brakes, I know the other brakes.
The other brakes.
I know the lights on and
Okay,
off.
hold it now.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I know the lights on and off. I know the clutch. I also know
The gears.
The gears. Sorry, gear 1, 2, 3 up to 5. And what I don't know. What I don't know is to balance yet. To just me balancing on the bike. But then as we go, as you're sitting behind me.
Yes.
As you're sitting behind me, I was able to,
to balance.
I can ride it.
Yes.
Until maybe when I get that,
Okay.
I can
Now,
be able to do.
I want you to, because now it's on the gear, hold the clutch in, press the clutch in, reduce the gear, put the gear down, down. Again? It's
down.
Okay, that way. Now,
it's going back.
No, it won't fold you.
Where is it going back?
But there's brakes here.
Okay.
What is it?
You know I'm short. You forget that.
There's brakes. Why is it going back?
No.
Okay, I want you to press the ignition the starter actually. As we go up, I want you to go on the starter.
Alone?
Like check it. Yes, alone.
No, I'm not confident enough for that.
No, just up to here. Press the clutch in.
The clutch is in.
Okay. Ignition.
It was almost.
Okay, you have dyed it. You have dyed it. You have killed it. Okay, I want to step this for you.
Okay.
Hold the clutch in. Okay. No, the clutch in.
It's in.
Okay, go fast. It's on the gear. I want you to go slowly. Easy. Leave the clutch easy.
Okay, no. I don't want to. Honestly, I'm not ready. I don't want to force it.
To go easy like.
But I don't want to force it and then I mess up or I kill myself.
You want to die.
I will go
in the maze. You'll go to the maze.
Yeah, so I'm not yet confident. I think I need to take the other small bike, train with it, get some balance, because this one is a bit difficult.
It's heavy for you.
And it's heavy. The other one, I can easily step down.
Okay. And this one?
This one, tomorrow I think we can take the other bike.
And then we reduce it.
Train with it, maybe even along home there, it's a bit flat.
Yes.
Along the Airbnbs there,
yes,
it's a bit flat, and then we
use this.
And then now I can use this.
I'm tired of carrying you. I want you to be carrying me.
Yes, I also want to be carrying you, but I don't want to risk it.
Hold the clutch in. Now it's on gear 1. Okay?
Yeah.
It's on gear 1.
Hey, people are relocating their necks. They have what we call eye muscle pull. Here.
Okay. What is it? Don't step down now. Don't step down.
Okay, I should be up.
Yeah. Okay, let me show you something.
Okay, can I stop the camera?
No, don't stop the camera. Okay. I want you to sleep on this other side. On the left side.
This side?
No, not you. the motorbike.
I thought you were telling me to sleep on the left side.
Leave the clutch.
Okay.
Don't step down. Don't step down.
I'm down. Guys, this is the road we are using.
The gears is not I step down.
Yeah, one.
Okay, step down again. Okay. Okay, show them how you are going.
Okay.
Just balance it. That's it. Just that.
Me, I cannot joke with this. I don't go fast. Don't go fast. No. We have not paid school fees. Mogendi,
this is a student. Easy. Step down.
Okay.
Hey, you step down.
Mogendi, this guy is teaching me and quarreling me.
You know, sometimes Mogendi.
Hey, Mogendi needs to come and teach me.
Come teach her.
Not now.
Mogendi.
Tomorrow. Mogendi is quarreling me and teaching me.
Mogendi, you'll teach her tomorrow. Okay, I'm leaving the motorbike. Okay, guys. I'm appreciating your love and support. Thank you so much for watching this till the end. I want to show you what's happening here during the day after day. Then I'll show you something. So watch till the end and see you. How was the teachings?
You don't have patience for me to teach me even as a business. Like, you need to teach me, have patience. He's quarreling me, guys. Like, why you
look,
not
even that
stepping
one.
down? Why are you not doing baby, like I'm like, oh yo, I'm learning. It's the last 20 minutes I've been training on this, so I don't know. Give me time. Yeah,
but you have known some little things.
I know. Like,
okay, show us how it's leaked.
Well, I know this is the clutch, and then I know this is the ignition. I know this is the instant brake.
No, the way is the ignition.
This.
No, that's an accelerator.
Accelerator. The ignition is this.
Don't press it.
I'm not.
Okay, hold here and then you press.
This.
That way. That's the most easiest and the most hardest part for some people.
Yeah.
So just leave this load as you said. Little. Don't kill grandma. Go easy. Just leave.
I don't want to go.
Just little.
No. Okay, yeah, I can leave it.
Okay.
But I don't want to go anywhere. So and that's the instant brake. And then of course, can I leave it now?
Yeah, leave it. You see now it was starting moving? Yes.
Yeah, and then I know these are the gears. And then there's another brake here.
Yes.
And then there's the other big ignition here. Is it ignition? The one you step
the
on?
kick.
The kick, yeah?
Yes.
And then the lights you turn on, right, left, stop.
Hazards?
Hazard is this one. And then the lights, you must put them on first for them to on or off them.
Yes.
And then also what? Now what I want to work on is the balancing.
Yes.
And
I want you to have your own motorbike some days when you now know how to ride, so that we can be going for road trips.
Yes,
you know?
yes. I also want that. But then now, at least I know a few things, so I cannot really bumble.
Now she knows how to ride for a little bit, to just start a little.
Yeah.
So tomorrow, every day I'll teach you little by little. So these episodes, guys, are going to be heavy and great. So watch till the end. Subscribe if you haven't. Like, share, and leave a sweet comment.
Ask him to have patience.
Yes.
With a learner like me.
Patience in me is 0 miles. I'm loving patience. I have patience.
But it has been amazing working with you.
All right. All right then.
Yeah. Thank
All
you,
right, guys. See you.
See you.
Skuma tuende. No. Skuma. Hold packet there.
No, it's very heavy.
Push.
I can't push it past here. Okay, let me try.
Clutch in. Okay, push.
It's not in my knees.
Push. Push.
No child's play.
There.
Ouch, it's blocking me left.
Push this side. Upwards.
Wait,
I'm helping you. Clutch in. Oh my god, it won't move. Okay, there. Okay, step on the stand. No, this one.
This big one?
Yes. Okay. Done. Bibi, unamwona bibi huyu? Let's bibi judge. Bibi anajua kuendesha. Umeona? Anaanguka.
Bibi is not having it.
Bibi, hold 5. Bibi, have a 5. Have a 5. Gota. But little by little she will know.
Yes, baby. Yeah.
Hey. Hata sana shanga. Aya.
I know. Burn.
Yes, guys, I'm doing some great digging here. I want to do something here. Hakuna hata ya fundi mwingine. Hajakuja na nyundo. Haya. Endelea hapo pata mbao ama jiwe.
Oh, this is how we are going to burn in. People are going to burn in hell. Can you move? You'll burn. It's too much heat.
I'm not burning.
I know you're burning. If I can feel it from here. I told you.
Is it hell? Even hell, that is how hell is. Not it to be.
Guys, if this is how hell is going to be, then we are going to heaven.
Let me repent now.
We are going to heaven.
Let me repent.
Repent your sins. Hmm? Hey guys, this is hot.
It's very hot.
Hivyo ndio utaungua sheti kwa hiyo ukienda ukifanya mambo ukienda kushetani.
Yanda shetani. Yes, hivi sawa. Hadi hata mimi naungua. Sisi ni mwenyewe, unasikia?
Hivyo ndio wezi wanachomwa. Oh no. I've missed. Oh no. It's better here. Okay, guys. Instructor.
Yeah. So, doing some cleanness so that we can finish the work
For today.
for today. We can call it a day. Yeah. And then we can call it a day. Go home. Then afterwards, we are going to see what's going on around.
Yeah.
You see if they have made the road on the other side of the land. Yeah,
Push everything. Everything is done.
everything is done. I think now these other ones will just dry up. Yeah guys, so that is it. How everything has been around. It has been so well okay. The house is now, we have only remained with a small thing.
The got finished again.
The bricks got finished, so the toilet side just had a gap. So you'll feel much chukua glove yako. Take these gloves. Na hizi mbao ndogo ndogo zote zisonge ziende huko. So yeah, that's how everything has been around. Up also to this other end. Hey. Baricho here. Baricho, you want to go with my panga, Baricho? Niweke kwa stock. Baricho the big boy. Yeah, so everything actually that's how the house has been. We have also raised that from the lintel, and that has been. So the only remaining thing is the toilet inside here. Here in the toilet. Here in the toilet over here. It will be bricks around like 500 bricks. Then we will finish with it. Also, we decided to change the door, the plan of the door from here to this side. I'll tell you the reason why we decided to change the door from here to here in our next vlog. Alright guys, see you.